Hi all, welcome back. So today we're going to be making a toad in the hole. So this is a pretty easy one to follow and it shouldn't take you too long. So first thing we're going to do is cook our sausages off when the hob decides it's going to heat up. So depending on how big you want to make your toad in the hole, it depends how many sausages you're going to use. So I'm going to use half of this because I'm doing a mini one. I'm just cooking the rest up for mine and Jake's breakfast. So we'll just get these cooked until they're thoroughly cooked. There we go. And then I can show you the next steps then. So for our Yorkshire pudding, aka toad in the hole batter, we are going to be doing 3 eggs kind of ratio. So this one's going to be a bit weird in terms of measurements. So we're going to need 84 grams of flour. When I tipped some of that out because that hit 92. So let me find a spoon. Stir. Oh, that's so close. So get 84 grams. This is plain flour, by the way, guys. And then what we're going to do is we're going to push that side a minute. And then we're going to crack in 3 eggs. These are medium-sized eggs. So we'll do that one at a time and then we can get that whisked in. So I'll just come back to you guys once I've done that. You can use a hand mixer if you want, or if you've got a stand mixer you can whack it in there. So I'm just going to do this by hand with my lovely balloon whisk, because you can see it starts off kind of chunky, and then we'll just add the other one in. While we're mixing that in, I forgot to tell you that I've preheated my oven to 180 normal, so this will be 160 fan, gas mark 4 I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we're just going to add some fat in to the pan. So you can use vegetable oil. I'm just using the remainder of lard I've got. So this is just, I think it's pig fat. Yeah, pork fat. So you can use beef dripping, you can use whatever you want. So I'll just get that put back in the fridge. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to get this absolutely screaming hot. Obviously don't pick it up with your hands once it's been in the oven, so this will probably take a few minutes. Then by the time, by the time that batter's mixed, it'll be ready to come out and then we can put it in then. So next thing we're going to measure out is our milk. So I'm just going to get that on the milk setting. And we're going to need 150 mils. Come on. Yes, exactly. So what we're going to do is then we're going to tip that into our batter. So we're going to do this really slowly to try and avoid lumps. So we'll do it a little bit at a time. And we'll just get that all mixed in. And then I'll come back to you guys once I've done that to show you what I've got. So we're going to have to be quick with this one, just because I've taken it out. So just give your batter a quick mix. Pour some of that in, it should sizzle. Probably put that amount in. And then we're just going to pop our sausages in. So I'll probably only need 4 for this. So 3, 4. And then quickly get that in the oven. Sorry guys. Ugh. There we go. And the key is do not open the oven door when this is in, because it will just cause it to go flat. So pop that in. And that will be in there for about 15 to 20 minutes now. Excuse my half-eaten hash brown. But yeah, that will be all sorted and I'll show you guys once it's out. So that is the toad in the hole done, guys. So this looks pretty amazing and I'm really happy with it. So this will probably serve 2 to 4 people depending how generous you want to be. But that's all done. So if you like this one, guys, go like, comment, subscribe. See all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.